the expansion of the universe in the Quran, which was revealed 14 centuries ago at a time when astronomy was still primitive. The expansion of the universe is described by the Creator in the following verse. And it is we who have constructed heaven with might, and verily, it is we who are steadily expanding it. Quran chapter 51 verse 47. The word heaven is used in various places in the Quran and is referring to space and the wider universe. Until the dawn of the 20th century, the only view prevailing in the world of science was that the universe had a constant nature and it had existed since infinite time. However, modern research, observations, and calculations carried out by means of modern technology have revealed that the universe in fact had a beginning and that it constantly expands. At the beginning of the 20th century, the Russian physicist Alexander Friedman and the Belgian cosmologist George Lemaitre theoretically calculated that the universe is in constant motion and that it is expanding. This notion was confirmed by the use of observational data in 1929. While observing the sky with a telescope, Edwin Hubble, the American astronomer, discovered that stars and galaxies were constantly moving away from each other. This discovery is regarded as one of the greatest in the history of astronomy. During these observations, Hubble established that the stars emit a light that turns redder according to their distance. This is because according to the known laws of physics, light heading towards a point of observation turns violet, and light moving away from that point assumes a more reddish hue. During his observations, Hubble noted a tendency towards the color red in the light emitted by stars. In short, the stars were moving further and further away all the time. The stars and galaxies were not only moving away from us, but also from each other. A universe where everything constantly moves away from everything else implied a constantly expanding universe. The observations carried out in the following years verified that the universe is indeed constantly expanding. This fact was explained in the Quran in a time when telescopes and similar technological advancements were not even close to being invented. This is because the Quran is the word of Allah, the Creator and the ruler of the entire universe.